Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers and subscribers, at the channel we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because it saves lives. That is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives on this channel. We at this channel aid criminals, their financiers, their supporters, enablers, and the likes with a passion, and we do not want them over here. Yes, let us repeat ourselves. We do not want any criminal supporters over here. Please, we do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes, or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you, the criminal supporters, enablers, financiers, and all the likes, to go to prison or madness. Let me repeat myself. We at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we do not want the criminal supporters and their circle over here. We want you to go to prison or madden. Moving on to our video. Yeah, so this is part 2 of the conversation that we had with the expert who used to work in the Correctional Services Department in Jamaica, and he's sharing his knowledge about how the prison operate and where the rear admirals them live and how them operate, and he's going to tell you about things about with Zeeks. Zeeks is a rear admiral. Can't remember how Zeeks ended up in prison. Is that he had a man give him a blowjob and the man discharged in his mouth. Imagine what an evil way to kill somebody. Let a man violate himself and then you kill him. Only a depraved mind person who could do that. And that's Donald Zeeks Phipps, and he's a member of the PMP LGBTQ plus party, which is a criminal organization. And so that's why the PMP them support anything goes to them. Pedophiles, all the likes and them thing there. Remember, you even have a guy in the PMP hierarchy right now when them say my biggest child molester in Jamaica, but hey, Mark Golding defend him publicly. You understand? That goes to show you that these people have no qualms about defending wrongs, criminality. So they don't know the difference between wrong and right, but they choose always to do the wrong things. And that's how the party operated for years. You could never hear we, as at the Jamaica Young Police channel, even we were a police officer, to support, say that, we had to come out and I tell people, say, boy, we support the PMP LGBTQ plus party because it's my best thing for Jamaica. We'd never do that. Reason being, they have done everything to destroy the police force and the Jamaican people's psyche. That's it, and that's a truth. That's a truth. The best time in Jamaica was in the 80s during my lifetime. And the PMP LGBTQ plus supporter activists want to tell you otherwise, they are lying. I am telling you as a fact. Yes, at the time, criminals fear of losing their lives, not the law-abiding citizen. The PMP is the one that destroy everything that was put in place to, bring us back where we have a semblance of law and order in the community, in the country. And when they win in 1989, they dismantled it. First, they got rid of the Suppression of Crime Act and all these things. Majority, 97% of the people who are on death row are PMP LGBTQ plus gunmen. You understand? So that's why they never hang anyone. They have been soft on crime. If you know, on Labor Day this year, Mark Golding was marching with a known murderer and killer. Yes, known murderer and killer, Danville Palmer. So I want you watch, you listen, and you decide. And just take in the conversation that we had with this expert. You understand, talking about Zeeks and Vibes Cartel and the likes. You watch, you listen, you decide. But me ask you this.
Tell them your file.
Me ask you.
You watch that thing with Oliver when Oliver said, when you come in and find yourself, you kill 9, you kill 10. Once you kill, and you come in there. Trevor, with Donna, when that road rock, when one him nephew will kill him, use a pick, a crowbar and lick him and kill him. Once a man a prison. Man, know your file. Before you open your mouth, man, know everything about you. You can't go on the system. You're crazy. If you have fish, man, you can tell you, say, well, them now, go put your fish on the street, man, and you know, you got to do that, man.
I saw it, boy, it's wicked, it's terrible, man. So,
remember, say toothbrush and broke off, you know. They can't get a hold of toothbrushes, man, they sharp the point and stab you up, you know.
But I'm still sharp, need to see him here, they roll it on the wall.
No, them broke it way down.
Oh, that's give them a little piece to brush them teeth.
Yeah, a little bit where you can't sharp. But the man them have other ways, I mean, to make jammer. Because remember, I said the man them over brickyard, the trade man them will bring cross iron for them, you know.
Oh, but them get paid if you do that.
Then they must get paid. Them get paid, man. Them bring cross, they can bring cross, but them know for smuggle. You must say criminal set speed, you know.
Yeah, man, them always a thing how to beat the system.
When you find out all them things, then you have to stop you. When you catch him and find out that him and the man now, you have to lock him off in the black box, because you have a black box in a prison for you. What you mean? A punishable box, you know.
Wait, the out in his son?
No, you can't see it, but the nearest other more brickyard special side over that side. You have a black box like a dog kennel, you know. Yeah, like the man who feel like them bad and water brought them up.
Yeah.
I beat them in a black box and throw them and punish. I feel them punishment that.
So in a black box and them thing they what? Them can't turn on them thing there.
It's like some slavery business. Cause first time I see me, I said, what that? And then I realized that people who do extremely punishment, like them fight in a prison.
Yeah. Wow.
Them throw them in the black box in the prison yard. And them get a meal see me, but them stay in there until them kind of reform back and bring them back.
So that brought down a man, mentally, man.
So the thing about with the hospital and the prison where the nurse have to come check them regularly and make sure so them health kind of because man can't manage the system.
So someone got mad in there and them thing there.
The first message I carried in my life of GP, message I carried now. First message I carried in my life and I'm so, yo, Mr. Ward, I post that now. I say, you can't go and stay there, man. You not like road.
What him say?
You don't fire a shot. Fire that. Come in out the foot patrol, because you do foot patrol. Depending on the duty where you do. So me do some foot patrol rounds and night there and I check on me and say, some boy that try to get away. Yeah. Yeah, so we do foot patrol, because you have fence within fence, you know, apart from the central box, you know. Yeah, man. But man, there's a lot of things you see when you're at the place, you know.
Yeah.
You have man where, water where, you know, I believe that them man they carry things until them get catch.
Yeah, man, me know, man. Corruption everywhere.
Yeah, man, I'm still carrying things and I run all shopping and take over there, man. Phone card and sell and...
What, how do that?
Then, remember, say, man, send credit to your phone, you know, man. Man, we set up them business, man. And have them things from out the road, man, and man, send thing, man, get search and can't find phone, because, man, sugar phone in the rear end, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, I had the phone in the rear end, man, so, man, I have to stoop down, man.
I'm bent, and them have to bend.
Yeah, man, I'll do a little cough. I think that somebody say I shot them and phone up in the rear, man, and Trisha Milan them, man. And then, man, we see where they are where they are prison and I say, no, it's a road, them have phone in them body work.
Wow.
And if they don't have it, man, have it for them.
Because based on them rank in a criminal world and them thing that them have more status than the next man there.
So they can't know where major reach them the key way in a prison from them time there. The fish them, the man that come, yeah, man, in there will work with the fish them to the car. Remember, I tell you, it's a phone in a rear end, you know. So, man, they keep lock phone for man and come a fence and talk to man and
man pass it, give him.
Yeah, man. But me not see from I was there and I see no package up over the fish part. I mostly over the clinic part and some little part where, you know, water set up in program and things I go drop them, I go feed.
Yeah.
Like like package, you know, weed and grab and whatever. You see me? And then you have don't a rate on now, you have the girl who come over Brickyard come sell pussy too. So cartel can go over that side if you get a fruit GP go get pussy.
Well, where you say you have a part in a prison where man where you call them the prostitute.
GPs consist of slave trade. Where you used to have the dock.
Yeah.
And they also run from the dock come underneath the tunnel. It's the same thing, but them seal off those tunnels. And in a prison is a monument where there was a gate where Marcus Garvey said nobody shall go back through this gate, and the gate sealed up to today.
So that's true for real?
Yeah, man, a real thing. In a prison, because Marcus Garvey used to then have GP.
So the gate where Marcus Garvey go through, so nobody can want me for real?
Nobody go back street again, find him seal it. That man, they're a real prophet for true.
I never know that, man.
Yeah, man, him said nobody, no more slaves shall walk through this gate. And the gate they just seize up and top up. And them chain it up to this day. So there's a monument in a prison depending on which way you want to go. But prison are not for people though. A good experience and bad experience at the same time. I know for dog.
Where's a prison for dog?
Prison for dog.
Why? Hey, man, I tell you, say me. You know, I spend so many years in our system and I never did know all of these things until you tell me today. You understand?
Oh, yeah, that report, man, I tell you, say, corruption to the core, man. But as I say, so, what would
them thing there?
Yeah, so Brickyard now, would be a place now where, I'm going to say, them farm and them make them black and them send out things, you know. Them sell things in a prison, furniture and them thing, and the water them broke a well for workman foot.
Them a thief too.
Then the man all overseer them when they want for them big job and for them big friend man. No, I think that the prison are gonna make for them thing, man. And the prison are gonna make for them furniture, you know.
Why the thing a wicked place, man.
As I say, a man can get reformed.
If he want to.
Yeah. You can man go better themselves and go turn a Christian in a prison too.
And become pastor and them thing there.
Yeah, you have church in a prison too. But I have a Christian where they preach.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so high and low corruption then high and low places for real thing, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I get them cut out of that. And most of the water them when I say we smuggle in things and not get catch.
Yeah.
Them protected.
Yeah, man, and I see him saying a police force, man, and them get the promotion and because them are the things see big man and them thing there.
Yeah, man, in a prison man we work and do upright work and never get a promotion, man.
Yeah, man.
Him no one of the elite. The brother when tell you what train me, you know, him turn him something there, you know, what you call it?
I'm in charge of one of the prison them now.
No, we train
Oh, new recruit?
No recruit, man. They have a name for them, man.
Oh.
Rogers used to do a power park camp, you know, because I'm one of them with your man.
Drill instructor?
Yeah. Him was a drill instructor. That boy was a drill instructor. I lose half of him. I tell you the brother, man.
What him say?
I'm catch up a catch him. I made him catch up off by. I'm a reporter. I'm not come outside. No, come outside. What's come outside? No, come outside.
Wow. And are you the man on sideway though?
Man, I'm tell myself to watch me. Watch me. Yeah. Catch a reporter, man. No come out. Me go to that the big man there and talk to him, man. No come outside, man.
Him just tell film boy, say boy, for watch you.
Yeah, I know me get a transfer and I'm backside.
Them say they want next prison. Yep. That's why them do that. Cause that cause undue pressure to your family now.
Yes, stay there, I don't know where I go on, man. You're too upright, man. You're going too upright, man. You're fling away, man. That's your bush, them say that's your bush. You think it's joking when you hear you talk some things and I say, like police force, and we fling your bush, then we fling you a bush. And laugh you.
Me never know. I never did know say I see him thing in a prison system too. Where you know you understand you step on the wrong say man so when you get transferred, you know, and go St. James from your family in a carpet area. Oh you so you have to travel figure out down there and them thing there.
Yeah, them give prudence, them give, you know, like travel allowance, and you know, it's like you just the one place here, man, and you come up on your day off, but you have to go back down. You see me? So
you have to literally live in a barracks down there too.
Yeah, remember so them have at one time we have like 150 police come down there, you know, down a more fella there from coming home, Mr. Daya and them man there from mobile reserve, you know.
Yeah.
You know, them man have a power review, we play domino with and a couple more of the inspector them.
Yeah.
And after the little trials them. So them man they come down in the place down and them they play domino and all them with it. So it's not so bad.
Yeah.
When mobile did I get bad with the stone crusher and all them man police would have the floor from Kingston to come help. Them man, enough of them get catched to, enough of them get themselves in a trouble too.
Enough of police them?
Yeah man.
Cause them mix up with the criminal them.
Search man house, scam a house and find money for money and then go back and rob them.
Wow. Just the police them.
We don't see all of that, man. Mobile reserve, man. The police them were detached from Kingston, man. Right up from Camp Road, so. Them end up now. Come here, all a classmate where they didn't mix up in one of them things that you know where. Man, no man say you them police business rich and cover rich out of mobile.
Yeah, that me the man them say and them thing about our man for do that, you know.
Man volunteer when you go police mobile run. Man volunteer. Man volunteer. Big figure. Because come go down there and me play domino with the man and hold the thing me know you know man.
Yeah.
When them man they done them operation, them man they jump in on them private car, cause them man we don't know bring down them car and park up, you know. And when they can stop, you know, a big gun and them man they go out on the roads, on party, you know. Off duty, party. So we know a lot of things will go on. I want the body to get catching at the dragnet with the robbing and scammer. And enough of them get rich too, enough of them, you know, go behind bars because of them something too. Yeah. Yeah, man. So you see a lot though. I've seen a lot, man.
True.
A lot. You know, but me have a little more virgin working at the prison system. See how you? Yeah. Some of them are going to retire, see how you know. Them would have want to talk to you when at the time to probably make a link, but them can't talk like how me and talk.
Yeah, because you know it's on them thing there.
You know, like Mackie and them man were left now, maybe can tell you what about if them feel like.
Yeah man, give them a number man. So because after change you them to make them know, you know, so when you go to prison, you know, and on a better roads, you know, this is how you go there, because the reason why was you know, the police them kill him, you know. Him never want to go back to prison, you know, because you know say was you know him when him come from prison, you know, the whole line backside, you know, the blood up, you know, so you know, say, you understand. So him stepfather tell him, say, yeah man, you soon go back to prison, man, fucking your body. So that's why him kill him stepfather. Cause him want to go back to prison, you know.
I read man get a rape on prison, man. I get rape on rear admiral, man, so yeah, go on with certain little things that you talk off him up and throw you to the shark them for them, man. Okay, man.
So when a man get raped out of prison and them thing there, what I'm to him as the victim? What I'm to him? Him getting the form of protection? Him getting
the boys don't know. Maybe the man who raped him got a boys down too.
Yeah.
So him get labor right there, you know. You can't be done like cartel and them man there, you know. And decide say you want rude, you have a friend water, you know, cause water will beat you till the sick, you know.
I know, man.
Ninja man and all them man where they are prison now, you know. them and water for them best friend have to be water, you know.
They have to behave themselves.
them can't slip up, you're crazy. Slip away. I must say slip away have put on what a woman have put on.
Yeah man. Yeah man, I know that man.
You can't be so you're done dog and you're top man, I make water beat you, man. I think this case that's in a prison, man.
Yeah. So you have to them have to be nice and them thing there.
Yeah, so all of them things that we are going cartel advice and prison.
Him get that privilege.
In a big back pocket. Money big upscale some overseer in a field because overseer now a top man, you know. Top man, you know. Like how you have an inspector, you have overseer, you know.
Yeah.
They have green suit man, them, you know.
That's an officer, the man, they're officer different from the khaki man.
Them man, they're overseer when they walk with all the sticking and they want like a racer jacket.
Yeah man, the cane, like a cane.
Yeah.
And it have a whistle on it now, don't it?
Well, everybody gets a whistle, and the whistle them say is more powerful more than the gun, more than the button. When a whistle blow, everybody have a run come.
Yeah.
Come start go on. When a whistle blow, it's like an emergency bell go off. Yeah, man. So them talk they will say I'm a bad man, and they will what 35 years.
Yeah, man say him rather 35 years to life than 9 to 5.
Man, the first 3 months him doing in prison, man, him start man all a ball. Man all a ball, and man get all marker down because the freedom when he used to get.
Him not experience it.
Yeah, man, a Bellevue in a good Bellevue in a prison, man. I wait for enough of them, man. What a little man in a them damn head man and then go cuckoo too. I went for top man, you see, you used to bust gun and say, him used to name so yeah man. And
he come from prison mad.
A girl him in a prison, a weed out and a coat man and a coat hands man.
No, hey, between me have to laugh. Me never, I mean man that prison account to hands. I saw him lose his mind that.
Him got this all water man, shock man, I lick him all in head part man, check off all of this.
Boy, hey, if your man count hands, him have a patient.
If a man catch you and hold you and you 2 foot them in a man car. I tell you man, the water them cruel in a man.
No, I'm not cruel. Yeah, remember say a monster them, a parasite them you deal with, so you can't treat them with no kids glove.
You kill a portion of a man out the road. A man kill a man a portion. When I go say you.
Yeah man.
And them come in the prison now and them go on like them a bad man. See me and I chuck it.
Yeah man, you'll get beaten man.
Man that in a man.
Yeah.
We can't do for crap boy, you know.
Yeah man.
No, you see when them come out you know, when they come back out you know man, they don't know left or right how they come in, you know.
Hey, may I tell you? May I tell you say a man sent a video to me. A man, him was bad man, and the man come from prison man and mad man. A man will do all songs since he come from prison. Yeah man, mad man.
They all the head move. I don't know the bad boy, I don't know that, you know.
And for days him can't walk in him, I feel creep.
When him come back to him, when he come back to him health, his senses gone. All his nerves, them in just no craft, water no craft too. They really want to mash you up, make you go cuckoo. And when them talk to you and you start, you don't know your name and don't know where you come from and don't know nothing. They throw you over the Bellevue side now and you start piss and shit up all yourself because you're mad. Them can mad you in that shit too.
Mr. Wally for you.
Broken limbs and all that shit there. The football man and by the time you show in one cell man and show in a black box and put in a, you understand, and when them done fix you up man and them let you go back man and you can walk again man. Remember me tell you. Are you that?
Yeah man.
Never to recover again. You say a bad man you go put you on water.
Yeah man. Because a brother tell me man say him go prison man and the man say boy him go make the mistake and spit pan a water and the man say
so you're in there, you can't take the pressure now and then go lick in your foot. The man them hey, but me tell you the guava and the fermenter with the one nice thing to lick you with them.
So the
one get liquor when they're licking a bone fly through flesh in a hand just a sing off and what
Why? Well, you know, I just hope the youth them and them thing there, you know, we say, boy, them not a problem for go to prison, you know. I hope them learn something from this, you know.
You hear that joke, you know? You know, you have the garland, the white, the long neck garland them.
Oh, that's the bird them. The bird them.
Yeah, you have the puss, the garland,
and the rat.
The rat eat with the drunker them.
Everybody a friend.
In a prison, you see drunker up front and close, personal like a pigeon. But me repeat again, in a prison, you have drunker.
Yeah.
We walk up and down like a duck. In a prison. Ask any prisoner, anybody where they will work a prisoner ever go to prison before. So the most place him see drunker in a prison. And you can't believe that drunker fly down in a prison, the prison meet them.
Oh man.
When the man wash out prison, them throw the food them out. Drunker fly down puss, them belly full. Drunker fly down the long neck gall in them. And the old Joe them fly over in the prison yard and them feed them meal. Yeah, man have cat in a prison outside them pet.
Man.
So you're supposed to live in a prison too?
No. So, but me I ask, we as you know as Jamaican and them thing, would us you know if your man say have pet, have put a pet and them thing, that would be like a girl business.
No, because you are going to be glad, you know. Because you know nobody where your man where they you know where family poor and visit you to start when them start and them family condemn them. And so nobody now come check them now and then. I'm glad to get somebody who we have a general, you know, like our man that run around bounty them and general to bring a rock in and to get some of the little likes one.
Yeah.
But I remember the cigarette broke up in a whole heap of time, you know. Whole heap of time, you know, like 5, 6 times, 8 times, you know. Cigarette broke up, you know. That's how the money who now go on with not, but the money who are going with somebody sit every day clean, like they done them, and them have to send on. Cause them want them smoke and they want to live like them they are road with them. Anybody you seen an NSC with NSC a flash? They have overseer and ward and corporal in their pocket.
Okay. So all them get.
Hold on, you can't have glass in a prison.
That may I say.
Hold on, you can't have glass in a prison. Glass in a prison. And you have to broke off toothbrush to brush your teeth. Put one on one thing and show me and tell you.
We know, man. So why? So wait. So
you say one man there in a prison a flash with glass. Glass is a prohibited weapon. They cannot. It's a glass and rum is a contraband. Man, again, if you find you as a warder, I try go in with a glass. You know, they run certain type of people. You're going to get locked up for that shit and charged and dismissed from the correctional
service
because of that. Because you're bringing contraband. What is money in a prison with anything? With anything. Remember the person who are bringing the prison, are bringing the thing there, you know. The food and the thing them come to visitors like you have birthday where them can bring in certain little things. Them have days when them parents day when them bring them youth come and them take picture. That's why I can't tell them can take picture. Them have family day, you know, where man dress up and them love one come look for them. One special day. Them give them run to, you know.
Man get to come out of prison?
No, man. It's like them do it like a boot. First time would I get searched and remember say a female prison female warder.
Yeah,
so they would have thoroughly search you and you'd get chance now like a family day. Them a family day, you know, people come. But I'm tell you say have some man like Ninja Man and Cartel and them man they on family day. You understand?
Yes, man. So, you know, this is part 1 of, you know, this conversation that we have with this brother who used to work in the prison, and we appreciate him for imparting his knowledge, you know, to us at the Jamaica Young Police Channel and him as a member of the Jamaica Young Police Channel, you know, sharing his experience of what he have seen, heard and felt. And part 2 will be coming up shortly. So, you know, to all of you young men out there, you know, who want to indulge in a life of crime, just remember that prison is a total different place, as hear this man saying. And trust me, this is just the beginning. You're going to hear some things, man. Believe you me. I don't know how a man, you know, I'll sit on account ants in a ant's nest. So, you know, say, them think they are serious thing, you know. So, all of you who feel like picking up a gun, I hope your mother, you know, your father and you know, your girlfriend, you know, listening to this, you know, and discourage you, you know, because the Jamaica Young Police Channel, you know, we are not just all about criminality, you know. We want to prevent you to, you know, from indulging criminality. Yes, because it's not cool at all, my brother and sisters. So don't listen to the currency now where Nigerian and I tell you, boy, yeah, you're a killer and that. No, you don't want that, my brother. So, yeah, man, I hope you enjoy, you know, part 1. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, you know, consider subscribing. And this is especially my truck drivers, you know, yeah, man like Maurice Brown and boy, my other virgin name, Big Wayne, Walker Slim, yeah, man, Big Wayne, man. You know, the man, you have some, yes, and Miss Rattigan, yeah, man, my friend from, you know, Virginia. Yeah, man, I appreciate it, man. You know, these people, you know, make it known that, look, our attention span is not a goldfish. And you know, that's an insult to us. You understand? We're not like the other people. We love knowledge. You understand? So stay tuned for. Yeah, so you know, that's one of our experts here at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, who, you know, who has served in various capacity and various occupation in Jamaica, so he can share a wide array of knowledge, you know, working in various sectors in Jamaica. And he has, you know, share his experience working in prison, you know, telling you about how corruption work. And it's the same thing as in the police force, and if you mess with the wrong people, you know, you get transferred. They say, go, who you were? I'm saying, go, who you know, so that far from home. So, you know, I just saw it go on them thing there. So corruption in every organization, government agency in Jamaica. How you gonna stamp it out? It start from home. It start from the home, then to the schools. You understand? You know, we have to have some form of reckoning. You know, some people say, boy, we need a dictator to change Jamaica, because, especially with the PMP LGBTQ plus party, which is a criminal organization, because they're just there just to destroy the people's mind, you know, to maintain power. And when them go in the power, all them do is just thief and them get richer. Them not helping the poor people and them thing there. But you can't tell the poor people them that, you know, because politics is a sports. But we need to change the mindset of the people. And, you know, it's just sad how we look a country just going more down into the cesspool. So, yeah, so, you know, I hope you enjoyed it, you know, listening to the expert as we stated before. So I will say have a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.